Yes, boys, back into it. I don't even know what day we're on here. I'm trying to quit my job. But, boys, we're getting places. We're up at win today. Let me see exactly how much we're actually up today. £54. So we made a bit of a loss yesterday, which took us down to about 150 quids. And now we're up to 206 again. So nearly at the starting balance. Fuck's sake. But here we're going through some of the trades I took today. So to do this trade, I took partials and then came to break even. Honestly, boys, I can't remember exactly. Oh, I got another thing to tell you as well. So here is about my trading time, around about here, and I know for sure I entered about by here. Was it here? Yeah, it was here, I think. So we had this little sweep on liquidity here on the 1 minute. And then we obviously swept all this other liquidity we had. Not as strong as the drawn liquidity we had the other day where we had equal lows, but it's a-okay. And then we had this strong breaker structure here. And we had then this retest onto... Where's my box tool? There she is. We had this retest onto this fair value gap here. I didn't quite enter in off this candle, but I did enter in about halfway through this candle because we got a rejection, and then my stop loss was just below this low, and we would have ended up taking profit, but I did take God, if I didn't get stopped out of break even, I think, or maybe I entered a bit lower. I know I took profit, yeah. So I took profit at this 0.5 mark here on the Fibonacci, and then I always have my stop loss a bit above actually break even, so spreads don't take me out. But yeah, we tapped into this 0.5 zones, which I took partials at 60 quid. Got more than gas for that, boys. Way past my daily goal, and then we come into break even, which is okay. And then I left it there for the day because I was in work, and I've already been caught trading in work, and they weren't impressed at all. But from there, boys, we have signed up for a free trial on a demo account. So I've got a free trial on, let me see what, Alpha Capital Group. I've got a free trial. I've got 100k, and they've sent me over a demo account, which is great. I'm loving it. I'm loving using MetaTrader. It's really clean to use. It's not as informationful as CTrader, but it is good, yes. So change silver, and then here's the other trade. So basically, I trade. If I come off here, do I have it here? I forgot what I would have called it. Trading strat, here she is. So basically I trade from 10 to 11, but I get on at 9:30. I get on at 2:30, and then 6:30 I'll be going on later, but I never usually end up taking a trade. I probably won't today either because I made more money here, where we swept this level of liquidity by here, and then we had this little accumulation build up, and then we had this lovely little retest on this fair value gap here, and this was another break-even trade, believe it or not. I did enter from oh yeah, sorry, this one I entered in on my demo account, so I made 1.6k. Honestly, boys, I would have fucking made the 10k, the passive funded, if I left this in. I made 1.6k. I entered on this candle here, about there. Yeah, ended there because I ended on the reaction. And this was I usually go for 1 to 2, and then I take partials at the 0.5 on the fib, and my stop loss is probably a bit different compared to this, but we took the 0.5 partials, and then this come down and stopped me out, boys. This one black candle here stopped me out of break even, so I made 1.6k because I had about 5 lots, and it was my first time trading with a funded account like that. I've traded on demo account on like paper trading on TradingView, but that was about it. And we would have hit full TP in 5 minutes. So that's my lesson learned now, to maybe not rush going to break even, and if I just had my break even set at this high instead of the 0.5 on the fib, I just find the 0.5 on the fib often gets hit, then we would have taken full profit. So maybe what I've learned from that is to look for a better TP1 instead of using the Fibonacci. But it's okay if we still made money, boys. We got 1.6 on the day on the funded, well, the free trial of the funded account. I'm looking to wait for payday, and I'm looking to get into the Alpha Capital group. Yeah, I'm honestly so gassed, can't wait for that. So they're the 2 trades I've taken today. I might start looking for another trade in about 40 minutes, but you can see we've had a sweep of quite a bit of liquidity here, but just look how ugly that looks. Yeah, I wasn't even trading with daily buyers today. I'll have a look at what I can see on the daily. Looks like we're respecting this little fair value gap here, like almost perfectly, and we've broken structure. We'll probably finish the day inversing this fair value gap, so it'll probably be another day of buys tomorrow. I always tend to buy on gold anyways, not often I do sell trades. Just with the look of how this is moving, it is crazy. But maybe we can see gold sweep out these highs, or we could hit another stage in time where we just have a massive resistance zone, like here, where we had this almost huge resistance zone, and we bust through this. But we could see something similar happening here with this resistance zone. But that's daily bias done. But we've made P today, boys. I'm really happy with how it turned out. And yeah, so I'll upload this now, get some food down, me go gym, then get ready for all tomorrow, boys. Thank you for your time. See you all tomorrow.